Hey there people, Win here with a hot new program. Now I mentioned this program on a teaser video the other day and I wanted to tell you a little bit more about it. It's called My Bitcointube, and as the name implies, that's just what it is. A platform that pays you in Bitcoin to watch YouTube videos. It also allows you to advertise anything you want by uploading a YouTube video or a banner. Now this could be a video or a banner of anything you want to promote, like a business you're currently working, a how-to video on something that you do, or even a music video. Actually, you never know what you might see on My Bitcointube. But whatever the case, you get paid for watching and accumulating bonus video points, also known as BVPs. Now before I go any further, let me make this disclaimer. Crypto-related programs can be risky and you could potentially lose your funds. So do not join any program with funds that you cannot afford to lose. Don't spend your rent money, your car note, the baby's milk money, anything like that. Okay, disclaimer done, let's continue. Now you can earn $210 per video, up to a 150% ROI, that's return on investment, but that's reserved for the premium members. For the standard member, the return is 135%, meaning that for every $1 you spend, you'll get back $1.35. And you can get back your seed money within 30 days, and the platform does pay you incrementally. And that's each and every day. Every time you watch a video, you get paid and can withdraw the money instantly. But pump your brakes. I wouldn't do that right away. Let's log in and get to the dashboard. Now ad packs are $1 and you can even join for free and get 100 BVPs per day. But each time you buy an ad pack, any video that you upload gets 100 views. And if you're using the banner advertising, you get 50 banner clicks per $1. Now this is a great way to get eyeballs on your offer, but the bonus video points is how you make your money. Each time you buy an ad pack, you get 2,700 BVPs. The more BVPs you have, the more money you earn. Videos are broken down into 4 categories. Paid videos, which pay you a certain amount for each video viewed. Bonus videos, which pay you 10 BVPs for each video that you view. And then there's super videos, which can pay you anywhere from 1 cent to a few dollars when you view them. And then there's also recycled videos, and I'll tell you about that later. My account balance is currently at $31.08. Today, I've earned $31.80, and yesterday I made a whopping $33.64. Not bad for watching videos, and I only got started 2 weeks ago. Okay, so let's watch a video. Since I've watched all my paid videos for the day, for this example, we'll watch a bonus video which works on the same principle. Now I know it says 10 BVPs, but if I had clicked on my paid videos, each time I watched a video, it would pay me $1.20. Now that equals $12 a day and $360 for the month. Again, not a bad deal for doing something that I already do. I watch each video for 20 seconds, and when I'm done, I'll go to the next one. And that's until I've done all 10 of them. You get the picture. Now after I've watched my paid videos, I'll move to my bonus video. And since I'm a premium member, I'll also do the super videos. And I could choose to do all or none of the super videos, but there hasn't been a time when I didn't do at least some of them. Heck, if the company's going to pay me to do them, then that's what I'll do. Oh, and by the way, you have 18 hours to view your paid videos. If you don't, they will be recycled to other members, and that's premium members. Now let's take a look at the bonus video points and daily earnings per group. My partner has created this chart to help us to chart. The company distributes money to its members based on the number of BVPs they've accumulated, broken down into 10 groups. Now I know you're only seeing 9, and that's because no one has yet entered group 10. Now each group earns a percentage of the total funds generated, which is then shared between the members of the group. For example, right now I'm in group number 7. That group requires that you have at least 360,000 BVPs, and 13.5% of the total funds are shared with me and the other members of the group. As I said before, the more BVPs you have, the more money you earn. You can find the percentages in the back office of your account. Now each group earns a certain amount per video. And here's the time where you determine how much money you want to earn. And so you get in where you fit in. In group 1, 10 cents is earned per day. And that's 1 cent per video earned. In group 3, you earn 80 cents per day, 8 cents per video. Okay, I'm going to skip around now. In group 5, you earn $3 per day, 30 cents per video. In group 7, where I said I am, you earn $12 per day, $1.20 per video. And in group 9, you can earn $126 per day, and that's $12.60 per video viewed. In addition to laying out the daily earnings per day, the bonus video points you need to maintain yourself in each group, the monthly costs, and the net earnings. All of this can help you decide where you want to be with this program. Now, if you really want to supercharge your earnings, you'll become a premium member. Premium members pay $19.95 per month, and here are the benefits. 1, you get 3,000 BVPs per ad pack you purchase instead of 2,700. 2, if there's a person that joins the program without a sponsor, that person could be placed as one of your referrals, and it's distributed amongst the premium members. And 3, premium members also get super videos and the recycled videos. Now, I don't suggest anyone jumping into the premium membership until they have reached at least group 6, because it's at that point you're earning more than enough money to cover your monthly membership fee. And the good thing about premium membership is that it helps maintain the stability of the company, and we want this to last for a long time. And did I tell you that you don't have to sponsor or recruit to earn? That's right, but doing so increases your income potential, but that's totally up to you. So what do you need to get started? 1, you need a link to my Bitcointube so that you can sign up. 2, you need a Bitcoin address. The company requires that you have a Bitcoin address upon sign up. You can get that from a cryptocurrency wallet like Coinbase. And then 3, the easiest way to transfer funds to my Bitcointube is to use Cash App, and it's fast too. Your Cash App will require verification to enable its Bitcoin wallet, but that can be done in about 24 hours or less. Once your wallet is enabled, you can use it to buy, receive, and send Bitcoin, and this is how you'll fund your account going forward. There are links for my Bitcointube in the description of this video. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel where you'll find other videos on other ways to make money online. Now, this is Lynn, Everyday People Win, and I help everyday people just like yourself, win every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao for now.